When you open your workspace, you could see that the inbox is still not there. We need to configure one more thing. Go to SysUX macroponent and find records for your application. And we will stay with inbox empty, ongoing empty, and agent chat shell. Let's open them. And when you open parent screens for each record, you can see that screen collection wasn't updated. It points still to the configurable workspace, all of them. So let's open them. Yeah, screen collection needs to be updated. You can see it's configurable workspace. Let's fix it. Take SysID of your custom application. Open the original record and update the application there. And insert and stay. Do the same with the rest of the records. And of course, you need to update the screen collection. So now for inbox, we are connected. Let's do the inbox empty. Again, open the original record, copy this ID of your custom application, put it in application, insert and stay, take this ID of your new screen collection record and put it in screen collection field on UX screen and save it. You can see we are connected. 3 more. Open the original record. Take this ID of your custom application. Put it in the field application, insert and stay. Get this ID of your new record and put it in the screen collection field of the UX screen record. Save it. We are connected. And 2 more. Open the original record. Copy this ID of custom application. Update the application field. Insert and stay. Copy this ID and update screen collection reference. Save it. And last one, agent chat shell. Open the original record. This ID of your application. Update. Insert and stay. Copy this ID and update in screen collection field. Save. And that's all. But now, when you check your workspace, the inbox won't be there. We still need to do last one final step.